Opening a Demat account and investing in share market. The stock market is one of the most popular investment avenues for individuals seeking to grow their wealth. To invest in the stock market, one needs to open a Demat account. A Demat account is a digital account that is used to hold and manage securities such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Here are the steps to open a Demat account. Step 1. Choose a depository participant, DP. The first step is to choose a DP that is registered with the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. There are two depositories in India, National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL, and Central Depository Services Limited, CDSL. Many banks and financial institutions offer Demat account services. Step 2. Fill in the account opening form, AOF. Once you have chosen a DP, you need to fill in the AOF. You will need to provide your personal details such as name, address, date of birth, PAN card number, and bank account details. Step 3. Provide the necessary documents. You will need to provide the necessary documents to open a Demat account. These include identity proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID card, etc. Address proof, Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, voter ID card, utility bills, bank statements, etc. Photographs, passport-sized photographs. Step 4. Sign the agreement. After filling in the AOF and providing the necessary documents, you will need to sign an agreement with the DP. This agreement outlines the terms and conditions of the Demat account and the fees and charges associated with it. Step 5. Verification. The DP will verify the documents and information provided by you. Once the verification is complete, you will receive your Demat account details, including the Demat account number and the DP ID. Step 6. Link your trading account. Once you have opened a Demat account, you need to link it to a trading account. A trading account is used to buy and sell securities. Many brokers offer trading account services. You will need to provide your Demat account details to the broker to link it to your trading account. Option trading strategies. Options trading is a type of trading that involves buying and selling options contracts. An options contract is an agreement between two parties that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price and time. Here are some option trading strategies. Covered call. A covered call is a strategy where an investor sells a call option on a stock they already own. The call option generates income for the investor, but if the stock price rises above the strike price of the option, the investor may be forced to sell the stock at a lower price than the current market price. Protective put. A protective put is a strategy where an investor buys a put option on a stock they own. The put option acts as insurance against a decline in the stock price. If the stock price falls, the put option will increase in value, offsetting the losses on the stock. Long straddle. A long straddle is a strategy where an investor buys both a call option and a put option on a stock with the same strike price and expiration date. This strategy is profitable if the stock price moves significantly in either direction, as the value of one of the options will increase. Short straddle. A short straddle is a strategy where an investor sells both a call option and a put option on a stock with the same strike price and expiration date. This strategy is profitable if the stock price remains relatively stable, as the investor keeps the premiums from both options. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. It helps and motivates us to make best, better and informative videos. If any person wants to learn about share market and start investing, please drop your mail at info@successacademy.in or WhatsApp on +91 9797256675.